In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customers in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll be able to save time and bring in multiple customers at once using a simple CSV import. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look at the left menu and open Customer Hub, then choose Customers. This is where all your customer information lives and where we'll run the import. At the top right, find the New Customer button. Click the small arrow beside it to open the drop-down and select Import Customers. This opens the importer, which lets you upload a CSV file containing your customer details. Click Browse, then select your CSV from your computer. Before you upload, make sure your CSV includes clear column headers for fields like first name, last name, display name, email, phone, and address. Keep it clean and simple. One row per customer, consistent formatting, and no extra blank rows. If your file is currently a spreadsheet, export or save it as a CSV so QuickBooks can read it properly. Click Next, and you'll see the mapping screen. This is where you tell QuickBooks which column in your CSV matches which field in QuickBooks. For example, map your CSV column labeled Email to the QuickBooks field called Email, and CSV Phone to QuickBooks Phone. Do the same for display name, which is how the customer will appear in your list. If any column doesn't auto-match, use the drop-downs to select the correct QuickBooks field. Take a moment here to confirm that each piece of data is going to the right place. Accurate mapping means cleaner records later. Click Next again to review your data. You'll get a preview of what's about to be imported. Scan for obvious issues like missing display names, duplicate entries, or formatting mistakes. If something looks off, you can go back and adjust either the mapping or your CSV, then continue. When everything looks good, click Import to add all customers. QuickBooks will process the file, and depending on how many rows you have, it should only take a moment. When the import finishes, return to Customer Hub and open Customers to confirm everything came through. Scroll or use the search box to spot check a few records. Verify that names, emails, phone numbers, and addresses appear in the correct fields and that the display names look right. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.